Hello everybody, it's JazzyCat33 here with... ShelbyCat23, I'm so sorry. And this is Jazz and Shelby. I don't know. Okay, so...
The magic mirror thing. It's a question and answer. Oh, God.
Okay, ready? Well,
yes.
Let me try it now.
Okay, what's... okay, you go first.
Oh, I just pressed it already. Have I ever licked somebody? I'm scared. Yes, I have. Maybe I actually have, honestly.
Oh my God, I have to show you a picture after this video.
Oh God.
You're gonna be scared. Okay. So it's my turn. Okay, have you ever drove a car before?
Okay.
Yes? Does it say yes or no?
Oh, you want me? I didn't press anything. It says question mark.
We'll keep going. Well, actually, let's just go.
No, you have not.
Well, I have actually, so.
Yeah, I have too, believe it or not. It was very dangerous. Okay.
My dad, I almost ran over a deer and went in the ditch, so.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, well, we know how your driving skills are going to be when you grow up.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I keep pressing it by accident. Have I ever kissed someone besides my parents? We all know the answer to that one, Riley. Wink, wink. No, that's a lie. It lied to me.
Yay, I got a hairdryer.
Okay, back to the video.
For my cows.
Okay. Well then, Riley, your turn.
Okay. Have you ever
You mean you?
kissed a cow?
Yes.
I haven't, no, but I have.
Okay. Have I ever... Oh my God, this is hard.
I know it's hard.
Kissed myself. No, well, question mark, actually. Your turn.
Okay. Have you ever seen a wild strawberry? Have you ever seen
Yes.
a friend pick up a wild strawberry and eat it?
Yes. Yeah, it says yes.
My friend has.
That's...
James?
Of course, he does everything these days, doesn't he? Okay. Have I ever stalked a friend? What is wrong with you? The answer is question mark. You want to play it that way? You want to play it that way? Oh my God! That's like happened at the same time. If you watch this video after, I swear to God that happened at the same time.
Oh my God.
That was the most terrifying thing I've ever seen. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That's strange. I was like, that's strange.
Wink.
I don't know how to take that.
Okay, so have you ever like
Question mark.
Was that split?
Question mark. That's what it was. It was question mark.
Darn it.
Okay. I think we should conclude our game because, you know, I guess we could do a few more. Okay. Have I ever slept with Riley? We both know the answer to this one. Question mark. The truth is we have.
Well, honestly, both are on the same bunk, but not the weird way. Not the weird way.
Well, it was kind of awkward because she was trying to push me off the bed the whole time. Yeah.
So, yeah.
LOL.
I'm gonna wink at you. I can't. Well, I can actually. Wink. That's my wink. Okay, it's my turn. Okay. So, let's do this.
Yes, Les.
Have you ever
Like,
have you ever did a glitch in Animal Jam?
let's see. Sorry, I had to get back to it. The answer is question mark. Guys, sorry about that. We're back. So we'll do one more would you rather thing. I just went, so it's your turn.
Have we ever? No.
Whatever, you know what I mean.
Mhm.
Okay, your turn. It's the last one, so make this count.
Okay. Have you ever kissed Eliana?
Oh my god, what is wrong? What if she watches this? What if she watches this? Question mark.
She doesn't know who Eliana is.
Eliana doesn't know who Eliana is? Are you kidding me?
No, I said the magic ear doesn't know who Eliana.
What creature that is.
What creature we shall say.
Yes, 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 yes. How happy is she? Woo, woo. So anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to like, favorite, comment, subscribe to become a Jazza. And do you want me to actually accept that? Because I don't care about the blanket.
Yes. Okay.
I accepted it.
Yay.
Because I don't care about the blanket. I really don't. Okay, so, bye, Jazzaz. And other things. Bye. And bye, creatures that are like Eliana.